Hi, welcome to this explainer video for Khaos Control Cloud. This short video is going to go through how to adjust stock into your Khaos Control Cloud application. This is really important to do if you're trying the software out or using it for the first time before you process any orders, and obviously is a really useful tool on a day-to-day basis if you need to make any adjustments for stock that's turned up and you weren't expecting, or more importantly, where you've done a count in your warehouse or your racking, and you want to make an adjustment to your stock levels so that you know exactly what you've got and what you can sell. So we're already logged into Khaos Control Cloud. The Stock Tools button loads up two options for us, the reorder report and the option we're interested in today, stock adjustments. So I click on that, it loads up a new screen for us, and you can see that we have an empty grid for us to start populating. First thing we need to do is put ourselves in edit mode. We then need to add some items to the grid. So in terms of the way stock adjustments work in Khaos Control Cloud, we can either adjust one item stock level at a time, or we can adjust the stock level for a whole range of items. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you how to adjust one item stock level. So I click on the new item button. That gives us our stock dialog. So we've got our standard filters on here. Obviously we can type straight in, so I'm interested in laser paper. Green select that and hit enter, and it pushes that into the grid for us. Now this example, I'm going to work as we've had a count of the product in our racking and we want to adjust the level slightly. So you can see that the system thinks we've got 40 in stock at the minute, of which 31 are assigned. I'm going to adjust that to 42. We found a couple of extra pieces. The location is going to remain the same, and I'm going to hit save on the stock adjustment. Now it warns us that we haven't entered the note or reason, so we're going to hit cancel and make sure that goes in, and we'll go stock check AJR, my initials, and we're going to hit save stock adjustments again, and this time everything's saved successfully and we get our nice successful message there. So nice and simple, we can adjust a stock item really quickly. We're now going to adjust multiple stock items at the same time. So we're in the stock adjustment screen still, and we're going to click into edit. New item again will bring up the dialog, and this time we're going to select multiple lines. So we'll green select those 5 lines, enter those into the grid, and this will allow us to then work our way down the grid. So again, this could be an opening stock situation, so you want to tell Khaos Control Cloud how much you've got of each item. We've already got some data to play with, so we're going to again treat this like a stock count. Okay, once we've made all our changes, make sure we've got a reason. Then hit save stock adjustments. And again, the document was saved successfully. There are a couple of other things I'd like to show you in here. The first is to do with adjusting by as well as adjusting to. So we put ourselves into edit mode again, and we add an item to the grid. So in this case, we'll go for that cordless drill. That comes in. Now we've been adjusting to a figure so far. If I'd run a stock take and realize there were 2 missing, I can do that and adjust by. So I go -2, tab out of there, and it'll adjust to 10, which obviously takes my available from 12 down to 10, which is our -2. Again, we'll put our reason in, and we'll hit save. Okay, I did mention there were a couple of things I wanted to run through. The second is to do with our location we can set against our stock items. So this is something that you can set in the stock screen itself, but this is also something you can define when you're running a stock adjustment. So we're going to use the bubble wrap, and you'll notice that comes back in A08A at the minute. So I've run a stock check, I've updated the quantity to say 80, and I can change this to be A09A, or whatever I like. Again, we'll slap a reason in, and then we're going to save that. And there we have it. Stock adjustments, simple, easy, and quick.